Hello everyone, this is Masumjia here. Let's dive into today's insights. So now we want to set up or send user provided data Google Ads, right? User provided data to Google Ads. So how can it do that? So for example, I have user's first name and email. You may have a purchase form with first name, last name, email, country, postcode, zip code, a lot of things. Okay. So now what I would do, I have to collect this data first, right? So how do I collect this data? I'll show you. Gmail.com. Now you need to have your browser container open. That's my browser container where I have did my Google Ads setup, tag configuration, custom HTML. Here we need that script to be there. Let's duplicate this. Actually, yes, we have email and name, right? So I want to address this name email. Okay, all good, right? So I'll remove these. This will be replaced by something. Just watch me. So now you go to inspect, you go copy JSpath console. Okay, dot value. You see, I got the name. So it's my first name, right? Okay, easiest method I'm showing you. Now then the email. Copy JSpath console value. Yes, value. I got the email right. I would copy these as well and enter it here. All good, right? Now I have to set up the condition. When it will fire, click on plus and let's now go to my site. So when someone click on that button, it's an condition means to saving the button, saving the data, or when we will get the user data, like when someone submit that form, right? So this all elements, page URL, and enter this. Subscribe now, and boom, save. So now you are collecting the user data. Now you need to send it somewhere, right? So you need them as a variable. So how do we do that? Click on plus, custom JavaScript, just get that easy script. I'm just copy pasting everything to save the time, First name. Okay, I need to change the name as well, right? Which item I have to get? It's a name one. I think I have wrote that. Oh yeah. Yes, if I'm not wrong, actually. Yes, this one. That would be email. Email. Okay, I saved it. Now I need one more variable, which is as I'll show you. Just create it with me if you don't have anything. Undefined. Now come here to text. I don't have all the data to send to user provided, but I'm just showing you how to do that. And Google Ads conversion tracking, I already did for our lead form, right? Now I want to send this Google Ads user provided. Now the conversion ID, how do you get that? So I would like to get that from hash. It's a ID. Google Ads conversion tracking user provided data is enter it here. Now we have to create new variable. Now see that you have email, right? You don't have phone. So how do I send phone? So for example, I'll go with undefined, or you can send null, whatever it is. So first name, last name. I would send the first name as the last name. I don't have anything, okay? Undefined, undefined, undefined. Not referrer, sorry, undefined, undefined, all done, right? User provided data. Yes. Now fire it when it should be fired when the Google Ads conversion is happening. It's the Google lead submit lead form. Okay, so I submitted it. Submit, publish. Now I have to test it if the data is being sent to Google Ads or not. So let it be published. Close this. Okay. Now click on preview. Connect. Now I would say test name email at gmail.com. It's done. Okay. Now my conversion has been sent. You see user provided data. Now watch. Your email, phone number is we don't have, so it's undefined. First name, last name is first name, straight, so everything is undefined. So that's how we send our user provided data Google. So I always suggest to send, if possible, to send user provided data to Google Ads. So that really helps us to improve our event match quality score. Like Google knows the user, like what is the user about, like his email or other things. Then it helps Google to understand about the user and optimize your ads. So that's a really good practice you should have. That's all for now. Have a good day.